In this video, you will learn how to report on resolved defects in an inspection job. Open the job you want to review and view the defects list to see the current status of each defect. Check the resolution date for each defect in the defects list. Generate a job report by selecting the asset type and clicking Preview. The report provides a summary of all assets. The report includes any new defects and resolved defects for the selected asset type. Review the resolved defects listed under each asset in the report. Use the job report to view all resolved defects within the job.